What if a single text prompt replaced an entire motion design team? No After Effects, no freelancers, no timelines, just type and generate. That's the bold claim behind Higgsfield Vibe Motion, so I tested it to see whether it's a true workflow breakthrough or just polished AI marketing. On the surface, the tool feels impressive. Clean interface, fast onboarding, and prompt-to-motion output that looks surprisingly usable for social clips and quick visual assets. But once you push beyond demo-style prompts, some gaps start to appear. The first issue is consistency. Results vary heavily based on prompt phrasing, and repeatability isn't always reliable, which matters a lot for brand work and client revisions. Several early users also reported generation speed problems around launch, and while performance has improved, heavier scenes can still queue longer than expected, which weakens the instant agency replacement narrative. Then there's the credit system. Simple experiments can consume more credits than you anticipate, and iterative refinement, which is essential in motion design, quietly increases monthly cost. Another point worth noting is that much of the engine appears to build on existing open-source AI motion and video diffusion research, meaning the innovation may be more in packaging and UX than in core technology. Feedback from early testers shows mixed experiences. Great for rapid concept visuals and experimental motion, but not yet dependable for precision timing, typography control, or layered composition that professional motion designers handle daily. The biggest red flag is expectation versus output. Marketing suggests full replacement, but real-world use feels more like a creative assistant than a production substitute. Bottom line, Higgsfield Vibe Motion is neither a scam nor a silver bullet. It's a promising AI motion generator with real utility, but not a total replacement for skilled motion designers, at least not yet.